What's going on YouTube? Jeremy the Barber here. Like I promised, I'm gonna do some unboxing. So look what came in the mail today. Boom. Braun Series 9. So I heard a lot of good things about this. Go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm not gonna do a review until after I use it, probably after a week or so. But before we get into the box, like I said, nothing but good things about this. It's pretty pricey. I got it for about $280 before tax. I got it on Amazon. A lot of stores that sell them out here, Best Buy, Costco, Target, they're all sold out. So you got to get them online unless you're in an area that has them. But yeah, so before we even get to the unboxing, let's see what this shaver has to offer. This shaver has to offer. It says 4 shaving elements, 1 skin guard. We'll get into that when we open it up. 2 specialized trimmers, 60 minutes of shaving with 5-minute quick charge. I'm gonna go ahead and test that out when I actually do it. So there's gonna be a following review video after I use it, see how good the battery really is. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, let's open this up. So comes in here is we have the manual. Probably gonna read that later. Go ahead and open this up. Let's check this bad boy out. We have the Braun Series 9. Look at that. I thought that was a switch. Power button. Yeah, it even shows you the battery level. It's pretty quiet compared to the Babyless foil shaver I use right now. I'm gonna see what this lock or this latch does in the manual here. Let's see. So what else comes in here? You have your charging cord, your cleaning solution. And your charging dock / cleaning dock. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this plugged up and let's see what this does. So that's basically all that comes inside the box. 1 second, let me plug this up. Oh, before I do that. So this can be plugged straight in to the clipper on the bottom, but the only thing is it cannot be plugged in while using. This has to be unplugged while using it. I heard some people try doing that, start messing with the battery and all that good stuff, so just don't do it. Go ahead and plug this in. Alright, so cleaning solution is not in, so you're normally supposed to let this sit just like so. Put the charger, put it in there right there. It has a little sound when it charges. Alright, so you can see the little lights. This shows you the battery life, the button if it's on or off, and then right here on the left it's red. That's basically saying you have low cleaning solution. I don't have the cleaning solution in there right now, so it's going to keep blinking red. Let's go ahead and take that off. And a way to insert the cleaning solution is there's a button in the back right here. You're gonna go ahead and push that button. It's gonna spring load open, just like so. Cleaning solution is right here. You're gonna take this cap off and then put it in there, just like so. It only goes in one way. I don't think it goes. Yeah, it only goes in one way. And then you close it down, but I'm not gonna close it down because you gotta open this up, and I'm not opening it up till I get back to the shop. So also, so back here it has a little trimmer that you can just push up and utilize. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this. I don't know how close they hit. I'm gonna assume that they don't hit close because they're not zero gap. But yeah, let's see. Okay. So this locking mechanism right here. All right, this locking mechanism. The way it works is this right here. You hear it clicking. If I push this up, it gives it free range to move along the scalp, the face, wherever you're using it. But if you lock it, you can still move it, but it's supposed to lock it into place when you're using it in one spot. So yeah, let's see how good that works after I utilize it in the shop. Oh, let's get into the blades up top. So back to the box. The box says it comes with 4+1 Pro Head, 4 shaving elements, and 1 skin guard. Okay, so let's see. So if you look real close right here, you have your 2 foils, your one on top, one on the bottom, your 2 specialized trimmers. It's the gray one up here and then the gold one right there. And if you look real close, there's a little straight metal bar right here that does not go up and down. See how this moves? This metal bar doesn't. That's your skin guard. That's basically so you don't push too deep to where you can get cut by the foils. And as you may know, on the foils, on your average Babyliss wall or your Andis foils, they do cut if you push too close to them. So yeah, that's a good feature on here. All right, so overall, everything that comes with it, seems like I got everything with it. I'm gonna go over the manual a little bit before I start using it. There is some do's and don'ts pictures on the inside. The Braun Series 9, all the stuff that came with it. Hopefully I can make the change to the Braun 9 from my Babyliss foil shaver that I use now. Nothing against the Babyliss foil, phenomenal shaver. I think, in my opinion, out of the wall and out of the Andis, I've had the wall foil, the Babyliss foil, and now I'm going to try this one out. I haven't had the Andis one. I never really got into it, but the wall foils, the foil always cut on me, like, and you know, as a barber, you're utilizing this all the time. Well, not this, but your foil. So let's see how long this lasts. I know there's replacement blades for this, and the way to change the blade is right here on the side. You just push that button and it pops up like that. So just by looking inside, there's actually way more moving parts than your average foil when you take out the top. So yeah, I'm gonna read on how to actually properly clean this if I'm not utilizing the station cleaner, because I don't want to break anything, you know. So definitely let me utilize this for about a week or so. Give it a shot. I also heard that these can shave through hair. I'm talking like a number 1, a number 2 can just go straight through it and bald it. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully it's not pulling on the client's hair, because I know with the regular foils you have to cut it down to a stubble to even get that thing to work. You could get it to work without a stubble, but it's gonna tug and pull hair. So yeah, let's see how that goes, and that's it for the unboxing. So stay tuned for the review, and if you're not, follow me on Instagram at _JermTheBarber. And if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe. Turn the notifications on YouTube just so you can see when the next video comes out. I appreciate all of you guys supporting me through this.